How's everybody doing out there? This is Pete. We're over at Pete's Kitchen today, and we are actually going to cook some breakfast. What we're going to do is we are going to make some specialty egg items that I make that are delicious. You're going to love them, and it's going to be a beautiful situation that everybody's going to try out. I guarantee you, once you try it, you're going to like it. So let's take a look at our counter and see what we got to make these delicious eggs that my friend Pete's going to show you how to make. The first thing we got is 2 tortillas. These are soft flour tortillas. You can see the size of them. Very important to get the right size. I'm going to explain that to you here in a few minutes. I got some cheese, I got some tomatoes, and I got 3 eggs. That's going to make 2 servings of what we're going to make today with our eggs. Now, you can actually use 2 eggs if you want. But if you want to make them a little bit filler, a little bit fluffier, a little bit bigger, use 3 eggs. We're going to split those eggs in half and use them on 2 servings. You're going to see that as well. Now the reason I have the tomatoes is because that's basically all I have right now to put inside my egg sandwich that we're going to make using our eggs and our tortillas. I did have a little bit of cheese. You can use whatever you want as filler, but today we're going to use this as an example. You can put whatever you want in it. A matter of fact, before we even get started, I'm going to go ahead and cook up some bacon because I want bacon bits in my sandwiches as well. Alright, now that we got our bacon into the mix, it's all cooked, ready to roll, let's go ahead and start making our delicious tortilla egg sandwiches. Only take a split second to make. Very simple, very easy. You can add anything you want. This is just what I had that I'm going to throw in there with it. Let's go ahead and get it made, and I'm going to show you how nice and simple and easy these are and how delicious they can be if you take the time to make them. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is we're going to get our eggs. Now, once again, you can use 2 eggs, but if you like a little bit more egg in your mix, use 3. And this is going to be to make 2 tortilla egg sandwiches. 2 eggs work out great, but 3 actually is better. 3's company. Okay, so we're going to stir those up really nice. I'm going to use a fork to do that with. You want to make sure they're stirred up really, really thoroughly. Get them stirred out the best you can. Once you get them all stirred, optional, add your salt and pepper to your mix. Depending on how much salt you like, add it. I like a lot of pepper, so I'm going to take the lid off. And I'm going to put a lot of pepper in mine. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that up again and get it ready. Okay, our eggs are now ready to start cooking. Let's get the pan on, let's get the heat going, and start making our tortilla egg sandwiches. Alright, we're going to get our pan on. Now, I want to show you this. It's really important that you use a pan that is basically the size of your tortilla. So if you're going to make a big one, you're going to use more eggs, get a bigger pan. But it's really important to use a pan that's basically the same bottom size as the tortilla itself. So we're going to go ahead and take some butter. And how much butter you use is your option. I like to get a lot of butter in there. I like mine to be nice and buttery. We're going to let that butter melt down. Okay, once your butter is ready and melted, you're going to take your eggs. Once again, we're going to make 2, so I only want to pour half of the egg mix into the pan. I'm going to shift it around just like that. Now the heat that I have on it is approximately medium-high. It's not high, it's not medium, it's in between. We're going to let that cook just for a few seconds. And you can see it's starting to turn white on the bottom. Once you see that the egg is almost cooked all the way through, we're going to take our tortilla and we're going to set it down right on top of it, just like that. We're going to take our lid, we're going to put it on there, let the steam build up inside, kind of help cook it. And you can kind of see why it's important to use a pan that's basically the same size as the tortilla. This is the closest one that I have. Once again, we're on medium-high heat. And you can see that it's cooking up really nice. Now that you see the egg is getting cooked good, we're going to go ahead, lift it up like this. Look what I'm doing. I'm flipping the whole thing over. Did you see that? So now what it's doing, it's cooking the bottom of the tortilla. We're getting some of that delicious butter in there. While it's cooking, we're going to go ahead and add some of our filler. Like I said, I'm using bacon and tomatoes and cheese. That's all I have. You can put whatever you want in here. Very good, guys. This is a very, very good recipe. Very good recipe. Spread around in there, get some more tomato on it maybe. And then, to top it off, I'm going to take some cheese, put a couple pieces of cheese on it, just like that. We'll go ahead and steam the cheese with our lid. Food always cooks a lot quicker when you put the lid on it. Now watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take my sandwich or tortilla, I'm going to flip it over just like that. You see what I'm doing? Look at this. Just like this. Looky there, guys. Look at that. Does that look delicious or what? We're going to go ahead and cook one more. Got my butter melted. We'll get our egg in there. Make sure your heat isn't too hot. You don't want your heat boiling. You want it like medium, right above medium is all you need. We're going to put our lid on it, help cook it just a little bit. Looking good. Take our tortilla, we're going to lay it right on top just like that. We'll set this back on there, let it steam itself and cook it. Go ahead and take our lid off. We're going to pick up our egg mix. We're going to flip it over just like that. We're going to go ahead and add our fillers to it. And the reason this is a little more brown than the other one is because we had leftover residue from the butter. It's no big deal. We'll let that steam for about 5 or 6 seconds. We're going to go ahead and fold that over just like this. This one came out a little bit burned, but that's okay. It's always good crispy taste when you get your mouth watering to try it out. Okay, now that we're done cooking our delicious tortilla egg sandwiches, we're ready to eat. Now there's 2 ways that I like to eat them. I either like to take hot sauce if I'm going to make it Mexican style, or I like to take April's maple syrup. I want to thank Chris and his lovely wife for sending this to us all the way from Vermont. Thank you very much. This stuff is delicious. And you can use it eating that. But this is it right here. Watch this. Look at that, guys. I'm picking it up. I'm holding it. Do you see that? Look at here. Beautiful. Beautiful sandwich. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you have a nice, tall, crisp, ice cold glass of milk. Goes beautiful with it. You take your syrup like this. Watch this, people. Watch what I do. Watch. Are you ready? Are you ready? You're not ready, are you? You want to go in there and make one of these right now, right? Watch this. I'm going to pour a little bit of syrup. Just like eating a pancake and eggs. That, my friend, is the most delicious way you will ever eat eggs in your life. So you don't like syrup, you like hot sauce? Watch this. I'm gonna take that, take my hot sauce, pour a little bit on there, just like that. What's that cook on TikTok say? That's money. Money, 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 right there. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete. Making tortilla egg sandwiches for breakfast, and basically any other time that you want to eat them. Put anything you want in them. Doesn't matter what you put in them. Design your own little tortilla egg sandwich and make it a hit on your breakfast table or lunch or dinner any time of the day. Take it easy, my friend Pete, your friend Pete. Drinking a big tall glass of ice cold milk and enjoying my tortilla egg sandwiches. Take it easy.